Just under 2 million people per year die from uncontrolled bleeding. And this is a very preventable cause of death. With a little know-how and the right equipment, anyone can save a life. Hey everybody, I'm Billy Haley. I'm a Special Forces medic. I've been doing medicine for over 20 years, both in the civilian sector and the military sector. I've worked in hospitals, clinics, certainly on the battlefield, firehouses, on the ambulance, you name it. It seems like I've seen it all. I've treated a lot of injuries, and one injury that I see fairly commonly is uncontrolled bleeding. Uncontrolled bleeding is the #1 cause of death on the battlefield. But it doesn't just have to be the battlefield, nor do you have to be a special operations medic or a doctor or a paramedic or even EMT to be able to save a life. If I could, I would just open up my head and share all the experience and knowledge and skills that I've learned over 20 plus years of doing medicine with you. Obviously, I can't do this, but what I can do, if you'll hang out with me for the next 4 weeks, is show you some very simple procedures that you can do to stop life-threatening bleeds. You don't need to even have a certification. You don't even need to be an adult. If you can make peanut butter cookies, you can save a life. With a little bit of know-how and the right equipment, anyone can perform these life-saving maneuvers at any time between an accident and the higher echelon of care, which in that time can be the difference between life and death. These skills we're going to look at over the next 4 weeks are very simple. They don't take a lot to learn, and you can use them for the rest of your life to save a life. I'm super excited. We'll see you guys next week.